Okay, let's get started. So, what we're having a look at in today's class is shapes. Yeah. You know shapes?
Yeah.
No? Okay, good. So, let's see who knows shapes. So, in this room, what shapes can you see?
Square.
Where's the square?
Right. Circle.
Yeah, but where? Where's the square first?
Not square exactly, but
No, that's not a square. No,
rectangle.
this one would say rectangle.
Rectangle. The clock is a circle.
The clock is a
The
circle.
paper is a rectangle.
We already have rectangle.
The boards are squares.
These would be squares.
Yeah.
They'd be squares.
Your face is it?
Yeah. What else do we have?
Triangle.
Where?
The roof. The roof is
The roof is a triangle, but what about in this room? Any triangles in here? Triangles anywhere?
Yes.
Anywhere? No triangles, huh? Oh, maybe. No triangles. No triangles. No. No. Okay, so we know, you know some of these shapes, it seems. Rectangle, circle. I'll just write square instead of squares. Square. And we don't have any triangles. Like that. Now these are simple shapes, right? They're not too difficult. Let me see what I want to show you. Yes, I want to give you some pictures here. What's wrong?
Thank you.
Triangle. I don't need a ruler, it's okay. Now, let me give you these pictures. Three, four. Oh, I'm sorry, I get it. No. I'm sorry, I don't have enough. Well, you can just share this one. I just want you to look at the pictures, okay? So just keep them there for a second. Right, so let's talk about the shapes here on these pictures. The first one. Okay. Where's mine gone? Here it is. Right, the first one. Oh, I don't have one. I can see. Yeah. So if you look at the first picture, what is it? It's a picture of what?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Yeah, but what is?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? I don't think it's chocolate. No, the first picture.
First picture is for the
Holiday.
Yeah, but what is it? Not the shape. What is it?
honey.
Honey. Yeah.
Honeycomb.
Honeycomb. Yeah, it's for the bees.
This.
But yeah, you know this, don't you?
This.
Bees. You know bees. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the shape for the first one is a hexagon with 6 sides. Can you write that down? 6 for hexagon.
Hexagon.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, you got that? Yeah?
So wait a second.
Okay.
This writing people difficult to do it.
Try your best. Right, the next shape to the right. The ice cream. What shape is that? Well, what I mean is that a shape like this. The part that you hold. What shape is this called? Do you know?
Yes.
What's it called? Not cup. Not cup. Yeah, what's this part called? I don't know, that's okay. Cone.
Cone.
Yeah.
Cone.
Yeah. Cone. Yeah?
Yeah.
Right. The next one, can you see? The chocolate. Do you see the chocolate? Yeah. The Toblerone chocolate. It looks like this. I'll try and draw it. What shape is this? Well, the triangle is just this part. 3D triangle, no. Anyone know?
No.
No. Prism.
Where is it?
Prism. But to be clever, you said triangle, didn't you? You can call this a triangular prism because you could have this or whatever. You know? This one would be called a square prism, but it has another name, or does anyone know its other name? No, I don't think so. Cuboid.
Cuboid.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Do you have that?
Where's
Yeah.
that?
Okay. You don't have to make the picture too beautiful, you know.
Yes, I know.
Yeah. Next one. What's the next shape? Oh, the Pringles. Yeah. What shape is that? The one that looks like this.
Starts with a C.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it?
Ends with an R.
Circular.
Not this. Cylinder.
Oh, yes.
Cylinder.
Cylinder. Yeah. Good. You're learning lots of words now. The next shape, what's that one? No. Yeah, it's a donut, isn't it? So, you know donut? Donut. You know, eat a donut. Ah, you don't know donuts? No. Donuts is the name of the food. That picture, you see, with the hole in the middle.
It's not a circle?
It's not quite a circle because it has a hole in the middle.
Oh, sphere. No, that's
No,
not
no, no, not sphere. No, no, no.
Spheres.
So the next one's just a donut. It has no special name.
Yeah,
The one after that. Oh yes, what's the next shape? The building. So that's this one here.
It's a pen. Five. Pentagon.
Yeah, 5. Yeah, what's it called? What is it?
Pentagon.
Pentagon. Yeah. Excuse me. Oh, Pentagon. 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 Okay. What's the next shape? What have you got next? What's the next shape? Can I see? What have you got next? Oh, good. Yeah. What's the next one called? You know where the next one is, don't you? What country? Pyramid. What country?
Egypt.
Egypt. Yeah.
Egypt.
So you have two. Okay. You have the one that's like this. And then you have the one that's like this. Can you see the difference?
Yes.
One has a square and the other one has a triangle. Yeah. So yeah, this is called a square base pyramid. And this is called a triangular
Base.
Yeah. If you just say the word pyramid, if you just say pyramid by itself, you probably mean this one. If you don't mention the base. Right, what's the next shape? It's a football, yeah. So the next one is the football. So what's the name of this shape? Mm, sphere. Yeah, yeah, because it's 3D. 3D. 3D, you know 3D? Ah, you know 3D. Come on, you know this, 3D.
Yeah.
Ah, you know 3D. No,
3 dimensions.
3 dimensionals.
Yeah.
Like, oh, look.
There's 2D.
2D, 3D. You don't know this? You know this?
3D
Heather,
movie.
Heather. 3D movie, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know now? Okay.
This D is what is a 4
Dimension.
dimension?
3 dimension.
3 dimension. 2 dimension.
What's the next shape? What's the next shape? It's chess, yeah. And what are these little shapes called? You know this one here. These are squares. And what shape is the last one? Yeah, and what shape is it? You have this one already. What shape is the last one? Come on.
Starts with an R.
No.
No?
No, I'm talking about the whole roll.
Ah, the roll.
Yeah. Yeah, like this whole shape here. What's this shape called? Come on, we did it earlier.
Starts with
No. You had this earlier. It's the same as the Pringles, the crisps. Look at number 4. Cylinder. Yeah, and then when you pull this out, this part is called. What's this part called?
rectangle.
Rectangle. This piece is cylinder. And then this piece you pull out is a rectangle. Yeah, the paper you pull out like this shape. Yeah. Oh, I think we need to practice some of these. Right, look up. Hey, look up. You ready? So, this shape, what's it most like? This shape. Cylinder, right? It's like this one and it's like this one. Cylinder. Yeah? Right. This shape? Rectangle. This one? Cylinder. Right. What else have we got? This part. This part. This. No, I'd say you could say it's a cylinder if you want, or it's like a circle because it's flat. Or you can also say it's like a donut because it'll have a hole in the middle. That's a hard one. Why did you give me this? This is hard. What else? Oh yeah, so like here, this shape, the top, circle. Yeah, and then this shape, this shape, rectangle. Yeah, and this shape here, the computer. What shape is this one?
Square reason.
Yep. Or I would just, you can call it cuboid.
Cuboid.
Was the other name? Yeah, cuboid. Yeah,
Cuboid.
cuboid. What else have we got that's different? Oh yeah, the lights. The light. No, the actual cylinder. Yeah, cylinder. Yeah. And one more. Let's see. This shape.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
If maybe cube.
Yeah, maybe.
Cuboid.
Yeah. Maybe. Okay. So let's practice some more. What I want you to do, just to practice, I want you to draw the shape and then give me one sentence using this. So, for example, triangle. You draw a triangle, and then what could you use as a triangle example? What the heck's a triangle? That's good.
Triangle.
What's triangle? Would you like? Ah, those crisps. What are they called? Oh, you know the ones, Doritos.
Yeah.
You know Doritos?
Yes.
Do you know Doritos?
Mm-hmm.
They're the triangle crisps. You know these ones? They're triangle. You dip them in sauce. You know this?
Maybe.
Nachos. Yeah.
Nachos.
You know nachos?
Yes.
Yeah. So you could say a nacho is a triangle.
Natural.
A nacho. You know nachos, don't you?
Oh,
Oh, you don't know this food, nacho. They're little triangles, and you put them in sauce. You eat them. They're like crisps. They're like Pringles, but they're triangles. You know this food?
I don't know this food.
Ah, you don't know this food. Oh, they're good, yeah.
There are other pictures you can scroll around.
What's a better one for Charlotte?
Yeah, they're all covered in
They're all
dressing.
covered in stuff.
So yeah, it's pretty hard to find them.
These guys. These you know these?
Yes.
Yeah, so you can say a nacho is a triangle.
Okay.
Something like this, okay? So what I want you to do, the first one here, I want you to draw the shapes and a sentence for each.
Okay.
So the example is like a nacho is a triangle. Oh wait, can I have the picture again? I want to show them.
Yeah, this is the closest example. Oh, there we go.
Oh, that's better, yeah. Do you know this food? Nachos?
Which one?
Oh, why?
Sure.
I don't know this.
I see.
I can't. They're triangles. You put them in sauce.
Oh,
You know them?
it is yesterday.
Did you really?
I never eat.
Delicious.
Oh, I've run out. Why don't I have them all? I don't know, I missed some, sorry. You'll have to share.
No, I take pictures of it.
You can take a picture, thank you. So I want you to draw the shapes and then give then a sentence for each. Draw it and then a sentence. So yes, a sentence. So like a triangle, you can say a nacho is a triangle. Square? What's a square? You could say a table is a square. Yeah.
Whiteboard.
Whiteboard is a rectangle, which is the next one. Yeah. Yeah. So can you write them down? I'll give you a minute. Guys, come on, I need you working over there. No, I just need you all working, come on.
Okay.
Oh, try not to use the dictionary. Try. Try not to. Are you finished?
Can I get my own paper?
No.
Well,
He just tried.
come on, just work, please.
Can I get one of the papers though?
No, I don't have any left.
Ah, really? Okay, I'm gonna work with them. Okay, let's see. Don't draw them, you write them. Okay.
See that? Oh, that's
Ah, no, come on, English. English. Oh, no dictionary or no chat. You're finished?
No.
How many have you got? Let's see. Okay. Table. Okay. I know.
It's yours.
It's yours.
Bees.
It's yours. No.
Yeah, no, but the insect, bees make this.
Bees.
You know, bees.
Yes.
Yeah. So you can say, bees make hexagons for honey.
Okay.
Something like this. What did you say? My cooktop is a circle shape. I think grammar's right.
You need to study English.
My
Shut up.
my cooktop is
It's yours.
circular.
Circular.
Circular. Yeah, you don't need to say circle of shape. So have we got? What? So you see here, you have triangle, and then you can change it to triangular. So if you have like a circle, where's circle? You don't have circle, okay. If you have circle and you want to make it an adjective, you can say circular, just LAR at the end, you know? So like triangle, triangular, circle, circular. Hexagon is not hexagonal, it's hexagonal. So you do a plus AL on this one, plus AOR, you know, circular, hexagon plus, so AL, hexagonal. This one, pentagonal, so this one is plus AL. This one is rectangular, like this one, AOR. And this one is triangular, and this one, nothing. It's also square. So you can say like a square top, but you would say a pentagonal top, a hexagonal top, but square stays the same, square top. So this is how you make adjectives. You know adjectives?
Yes.
Yeah. So that's what you need. So circular.
Okay, thank you.
Right, how are we doing over here? Oh, good. What's that? Nice. Square? A square? Okay. Table. House. Bunny. Bicycle. Okay, very good. Window, good. I like it. And what's this one? Oh, chips. Yeah. And this one? Good. Good. Okay. And have you got them over here too? Yep. Honeycomb, clock, phone. Good. Window, nachos.
Pentagon.
Yeah.
Should I just put the pentagon?
Yeah. So it's a building. All right.
Pentagon.
Let's continue. Okay. Good job on that. Good job. So,
Your turn.
guys, listen. Guys, I'm talking. Listen.
Yeah.
So, next now, if you got your page, you see there's exercise 2. There's a couple of words on it I need to explain. Face, vertices, and edge. So I'll just explain those now. So this is when you have 3D. Now look up. What's on? Look. So, when you have 3D shapes, or something like this, this part here, or like this part here, that's called face. Yeah? This part like here, or this part like here, that's called edge. Okay? And like this part here, or maybe this part here, that one is a vertex. So what's the first shape I have there in that second exercise? What's the first shape? What's the first shape in the second exercise? Cylinder, is it? Okay. Can I scroll down? Yeah? So let me just help you with the first one here. The first one you said is cylinder, is it?
Cylinder.
Yeah? And what do I have? Number faces, is it? Number edge?
No, vertex.
Vertex, vertices. Yeah. Next one? Edge. And then the last one?
Together.
Add them together.
Yeah.
The total. Is it this plus this plus this?
Yes.
Is that what I say? Okay. So let's look at the first one together. A cylinder. How many faces? 2.
3.
Or maybe 3. It's not so clear. Let's just say, we'll say 2, but maybe we'll say or 3. We'll see. Vertices. None. There's no point. There's no vertices. And edges? Well, is there any edge like this? None. Or maybe 2, if you want to count this. So it's not so clear. But let's look at the next shape. What's the next one?
Cube.
Cube. Okay, that's much easier. Cube. Cube is this shape. All squares. Okay. How many faces? 6. How many vertices? 8. And then how many edges? 12, I think. Yeah. 12, isn't it? Now. No, you said the last one was the total. It's not. It's vertex plus face minus edge. Can you see that? Vertex plus face minus edge. Okay. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8, what's that?
13.
13. Minus 12?
24.
No. Minus 12.
12.
2.
Oh. Try. 6 plus 8? 14. 14 minus 12? 2. Okay. 2 plus 0? 2. Minus 0? 2. So let me just delete those for the moment. Okay. Maybe we'll do this together. What's the next shape? Cuboid, is it? Okay. So let's do this one together. How many faces?
6.
Good. How many vertices? 8. Edges?
Same cube.
Same, isn't it? 12 total 2. Okay, what's the next one?
Prism.
Prism. Now, did I say what type of prism? No. So if you don't say what type of prism, it's usually triangular. Triangular prism. Right, so triangular prism, how many faces?
5. Same cube.
No?
5.
5. Very good, 5. How many edges?
9.
9, good, yeah, 9. And how, 9. And how many vertices? How many vertices?
6.
6. 6,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 5 plus 6 minus 9. Do
2.
you see something happening here? Yeah. What's the next shape?
Cone.
Cone? Pyramid.
Pyramid.
Do I say which type of pyramid?
No.
So what type is it if I don't say?
Square.
Square pyramid. Square pyramid. How many faces?
5.
5. Good. How many vertices?
5.
5 as well, isn't it? How many edges?
8.
8. 5 plus 5?
2.
10 minus 8?
2.
2. Next shape?
Cone.
Cohen.
Cone.
Okay. How many faces? 1. Yeah. Only this guy. Yeah. The face needs to be flat. How many vertices?
1.
1. How many edges?
1.
Mm,
2. None.
none. There's no edges like this.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yeah.
That's very
So,
easy, yeah.
that's 2. Right, what's the next shape?
Sphere.
Sphere. Which is this guy. How many faces? None.
No.
If it
Yeah.
there's no flat.
Yeah.
There's nothing flat.
Yeah.
How many vertices?
0.
Definitely 0. How many edges?
0.
Total?
0.
Mm. This one's different, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very different. Okay. You got that? Yeah? You wrote that? You copied that down into your page? Yeah? Oh, you didn't get prism. Cylinder and cube. Yeah, we did cylinder and cube, and prism is up there too. Okay. Let's look at the next exercise. Can you see number 3 there? So I want you to tell me what each shape is. Guys, you need to stop talking.
That's
But
not
I
what
keep
dice.
But no, you understand basic manners. I'm talking, so you shouldn't be at the same time. Now, let's look at the next one. So, what's the first shape there? The dice. Now, if you don't know what that is, I'll draw it for you. This is what it is.
Cube.
It's a cube, yeah? 1, 2, 3. You know this. You roll dice. What shape is that one? What shape is the dice? What shape is that?
Cube.
Cube. Yeah, so cube. C-U-B-E. Okay. The next one. Sweet jar. What's a sweet jar? What shape was that?
There's a difference.
Ah, you keep saying circle, not circle. It's like this shape. What shape is this? Yeah. Cylinder. Cylinder, yeah. Wouldn't you say? A sweet jar? It's kind of this shape. Like a cylinder. You open it up, you take a sweet.
This
Sweet jar. You know a sweet jar?
Yeah.
switch away.
It's like a bottle with sweets in it.
Sweet.
Oh yeah.
So like you open it up, you take a sweet.
Yeah.
You know a sweet jar?
No.
Okay. Yeah, like that. Look. You see, sweet jar. Put sweets in it.
Oh yeah, I see.
Put sweets or biscuits or cookies.
Or something.
Or what do you mean?
B-O-I-L. B-O.
Oh.
What the?
Oh. Boil?
Yeah. Boy.
Boiled sweets? There are sweets called boils which go in these jars, yes. But it's not just sweets. It can be biscuits, Can be cookies. You know, things like this. Why are you checking? Cookies, yeah.
Yeah.
Cookie jar.
Boy. Or something.
No, you don't boil things in it, no. Just for food, just for sweets. Here, like it, go back. Type in, where do I type here? Type in J,
J,
A,
A,
or.
or.
Yeah, no, search. Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, it's the first one. Vessel, container,
That's the container.
for holding things. Like this one, like this one. Cookie jar.
Oh, cookie jar.
Yeah. Okay, good. Right. What's the next one?
Rectangular.
A box. Oh, I wouldn't say rectangular. What would you say a box is? Guys, what would a box be? The next one, box. Come on.
What?
A box, like
Box.
this. Like this, a box. A paper box, like this. What would that be? What would it be? What shape? Cuboid. Cuboid. Right? Right? It's like where did you write it down? Is it? Yeah, cuboid. Like this one. Yeah? Yeah? Oh gosh, you're making me tired. Right, what's the next one? Can of cola. Not circular. What's can of cola? Can of Coke, what shape is that?
Cylinder.
Cylinder, yes. Cylinder, thank you. Oh.
Exercise.
Cola. Cylinder.
Cylinder.
Box is what? What is box?
Huh?
Is box?
Cuboid. Right, there's one exercise left. I think I'll change it a little bit because you need more practice. I'm going to say an item and I want you to write down the shape. Okay? In the last exercise, exercise 4. So let me think. What would be a good one first? Okay. The first one, write the answer down. What shape is this? This. Write it down. Don't say it, just write it down. We'll see. Okay, you got that? Right, next one. I want you to tell me what shape this is. This picture, what shape is it? Is it? Yeah, write it down. Write it down. Try. Next. This one. Yes, write it down, yes. This one. Okay? And lastly, what could we do lastly?
Clock.
Ah, that's easy. Oh, okay, fine. Clock. What shape is this? Right. What was the first one? What was the first answer? What was the first one?
Cuboid.
That one, yeah, what was that? Cuboid, yeah. This one here? Cuboid. Yeah, okay, good. Right, what was the next one I did? Yeah, what was it? Oh, this, yeah. What shape is this? Rectangle. Good. Okay. And thirdly, what shape was this? Cylinder. And lastly, this one? Circle. Yes? Okay. let's finish. Alright. Oh, I won't see you next week because of the holidays.
Okay.
So I'll see you after the holidays then, okay?
Yeah.
I might see you tomorrow at the party quiz.
So do I need to bring some food in the party?
No. There'll be sweets.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. You guys are hard work. Hard work.
No.
Ah, yes.